guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. So when you come home from work, you have a homemade meal waiting for you or your family and your partner, all ready for you with minimal effort and no clearing up, because you're going to do this on a Sunday when you've got tons of time. Today I am talking about macaroni cheese, a great family friendly dish to have. It's brilliant if you're vegetarian, and it's really versatile and really easy. So we're going to get started, okay? You'll notice that I've already started boiling the pasta because this video is not going to be 20 minutes long. So basically what I did, where did I put my big spoon? Bear with me. Right, we're going to use our 1 cup spoon, okay? So I have got my 1 cup, and I like to use, with macaroni, I like to use actually macaroni pasta, okay? 2 large cupfuls into your pan with boiling water and a little bit of salt, and that will make a family of 4, okay? So my pasta is on and boiling. So while my pasta is boiling, I can make the cheese sauce. You are going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, okay? So once your butter has started melting in your pan, you want to add some flour, exactly the same quantity as the butter. If you're looking for the recipe, www.batchlady.com, you'll get the exact recipe that you can print out. And you want to add your butter and give it a mix around, and this is you basically making a roux, okay? As soon as you start mixing it and it starts forming into a roux, I'm going to show you what a roux looks like. Now this sounds very technical, it's not, it's butter and flour mixed together. There you go, that's what you use if you're ever thickening a sauce, okay? So, as soon as it makes into a roux like that, you're going to add half your amount of milk that you need. Okay? Roughly, we'll just go for a rough. And you are going to give it a little stir around. Right, once your milk has came together, you can then take the other half of the milk and add it in. And again, just give it a mix around, and that is going to start to thicken. Now, while I'm waiting for that to thicken, I'm just going to check on my pasta and see if it's done. This pasta is definitely done, okay? So bear with me for a few minutes. I'm going to leave my sauce to thicken, and I'm going to give it a stir a few times, and I'm just going to drain off my pasta here and bring it back, okay? So 2 minutes, here I go. 2 of my American cup measurements of cheese to your thickened milk, okay? You can put it all in at once, that's absolutely fine. So you want to do this off the heat and just give it a little stir around, and that will start to really soften. And then you just want to put it back on the heat, giving it a little stir, and that will very quickly change to cheese sauce. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is one that I made earlier. So my other one that I've just made with you is here, and the cheese is just melting into it. But I'd already just made this one, so I just want to show. So your pan is big enough. You've made your cheese sauce that is now delicious and looks amazing. And all you want to do is you want to take your pasta and just add, if it'll come out, add your cheese sauce, add your pasta to the cheese sauce. Let me just get a spoon. There we go. We'll just quickly move that out the way, and you're just going to make sure that it's all mixed through, okay? And then that's when you've made a huge proper macaroni cheese. That is basically your macaroni cheese. You are going to let it cool like this, okay? Then when it's completely cool, put the lid on, make sure it's labelled, put it in your freezer. Whenever you want it, take it out the night before, let it thaw, and then throw it in the oven. You can put an extra sprinkling of cheese on the top, you can put some nice tomatoes on the top, you can put lovely breadcrumbs on the top and give it a golden crust. There is tons that you can do with macaroni cheese, and I may come back and do some more videos on this. Take it out your freezer, let it defrost, put it in your oven, and really you're just heating it up, okay? So you're just waiting till it's hot. So I'd say 180 at 20 minutes. Thank you very much for watching The Batch Lady, show you how to make freezable macaroni cheese. Bye.